Hi everyone. Today we're going to continue with our topic on financial planning. So with the biggest question on financial planning that I always get is what plans do I need to buy? Because everyone seems to be confused whether they should buy a life insurance, should they buy medical plans, should they buy investment link, should they buy education fund, and there are so many different packages out there in the market which get everyone confused. And some of them, oh, it's a new lifestyle insurance where you get cashback, you get rewards, you get this and that for basically it's different packages for different people, right? So let's say for the fitness guys, we will give you a fitness app together with it and so on and so forth. But which is the most suitable one for you? Now, I get that question many times, all right? And what I've realized was that many people, they buy a lot of insurance and buy a lot of financial instruments as well, where does not yield a direct result that they actually need. Of course, if you have the budget for it and you have a big fat wallet, I'll be more than happy to come and see you and to help you spend some money, right? But the thing is, let's say if you're running on a very tight budget, what do you spend on first, right? So most of the time, I would always ask the individual, what do you think that is most important for you? And they will tell me, oh, I want to make sure my family is well protected. I need to save. Saving has been one thing that has been very common lately. People always tell me, Adrian, I want to have investment. I want to grow my money, which I say that is great. But I think there is one thing that you may want to look at first. It's your own pride. Then people are like, what do you mean by pride? I say, yes, your own pride. When, let's say if anything were to happen to you, do you want to go and ask, let's say if, unfortunately, touch wood, all right, touch wood, let's say if we were to fall ill or like say the COVID hits or whatever it is, do we want to be protected? That means, do we want to be able to fend for ourselves? Do we want to be able to go to the hospital and say, hey, I don't have to worry about money, everything is taken care of? And I personally believe that that should be the first one. Of course, life insurance to protect our family, life insurance to protect our assets, our children is very important. But the first thing is, the first burden always comes with medical bills. So if you were to ask me, it's always the first thing that you should always look at is look into your medical protection, because that is one thing that we cannot prevent. We are all humans. We are not, can't remember the word for it. My apologies. Indestructible, let's say, let's put it that word. Yep, indestructible. I mean, we will fall ill sometimes. So basically, we want to protect ourselves with a medical insurance right now. I mean, let's face it, medical bills are really expensive, and that is the first thing that you should look at. And please look into your own existing one. I think I may have written an article the other day, or put out a poster the other day, is your medical, it's your medical bill, or sorry, your medical card, an ideal one or an ideal? Because ultimately, there are many people who have bought many things in the past, but there are a lot of exclusions. For example, there is something is deductible. What it means by deductible is that whenever you go to a hospital, you have to pay X amount of sum first before the insurance company pays. Or there are some that is like co-sharing, co-payment. That means each time you go to the hospital, you have to pay X percentage of it. And it seems nice when you're much younger because you pay a cheaper price. But let's face it, along the years when we come in, the bills are going to go up. And each time, if you're going to pay 10% and 10% and 10%, each time you visit the hospital or the doctors, it's going to tend to amount to a lot of money. So the first thing is, I always say, look into your medical protection, then look at to how is it covered, how much money do they cover per year and lifetime. Like for us under Hong Leong Assurance, we actually, for the next 2 months, that's up to 2.5 million ringgit per year coverage. Yes, you heard it right. It's 2.5 million coverage. And For a lifetime, it's unlimited. So basically, I think it's for a very small sum, you can actually secure yourself. All right. So that is something that you want to look at. Tomorrow, when we come back in the short clips, we will talk about what do you look at in terms of your asset protection, what else you look at in terms of your life protection and leaving a legacy. All right. Till then, thank you very much and have a great day.